I'm gonna give you a quick little rundown why you should make sure you take necessary precautions whenever you're rebuilding an old trailer like this during a drought. Notice Exhibit A, this leak that I thought I had fixed. Exhibit B, this window, no, not that side, just that side, that's leaking. Exhibit C, all of this, you can see it comes out around these wires and down there, and it spreads over there. So this is where that big leak was. If you notice right here, see if it'll focus on it, there's a big old hole right there. So I'm just gonna seal up along this whole edge here. I replaced all this, put new butyl tape up here, but I want to make sure that nothing seeps under. If I only do a little section here, I want to make sure that it doesn't just seep under over here and get over to it. So I'm just going to do this whole edge here. Exhibit D, under the windows here. And lastly, Exhibit E, right down here. Now you may notice there's a bunch behind me, and I'm going to be getting to that in future videos. So here's the lesson that I've learned. Make sure you put a sprinkler on the camper for long enough to make sure that nothing is leaking. And if it is, put the sprinkler on after you fix it to make sure it's still not leaking. Well, stay tuned guys, because there's more coming up, as you see right here. That's just a teaser. I'll see you next time.